got the camera rolling. We're with our new patient, Homer. How you doing, Homer?
Good.
Good. Is Homer your real name?
No.
No, it's not. Okay, just making sure. Homer, you're okay if we video your problem for YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, you've seen some of our videos, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, what's going on with you? And you know, this is not even the main reason you're here today. You have several other issues we're going to be working on. One, you smoke cigarettes. Number two, you're a little bit overweight. No, okay, you're a lot overweight, but I'm trying to be nice. Feel free to laugh. His wife is in here too, and she just thinks that this is hysterical. And you have a bump on your right cheek, which we're going to address at a future time. It's a lipoma, but you've got something going on with your thigh here, and I'm not going to tell anybody what it is until after they have a chance to try to guess the problem. And then what we'll do is we'll tell them what it is and how to take care of it. But you get these red spots, and this is the left thigh. But as you look here, you can see where you've had these before, and you've got scars. And on the right thigh, same thing. You've got one right now that's really irritated, and you've got a bandage on it because it's been draining intermittently. But you've been dealing with these for a long time. I'm not going to show your face right now because there's no need to. So how long have you been dealing with this issue?
Years. Probably
years. Okay.
5 or 6 years.
Have you ever been to a doctor where they had one of these and they drained it and they did a culture or anything like that?
Yes.
You did. Okay. All right. Well, don't tell us because I already know what the culture showed. So I want to give everybody an opportunity to try to guess what your problem is and what's the best way to treat this going forward, both in the short term and long term. So you're going to be a guess the rash or guess the problem patient. And then later on when you come back to have that cyst removed, then we'll have an awesome video then. Does that sound like fun?
Okay.
Homer, you're a pretty good guy. I don't care what your wife says about you. She's actually very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, buddy, thanks for sharing with us, and we'll see you soon. But for now, we're going to get you taken care of with these spots on the legs. Okay?
Okay.
All right, bud, thanks.
Hey folks, you've heard from hundreds of people who have benefited from Dr. Gilmore's Meta 7. And you've seen celebrities and fitness experts talk about Thynergy. Now it's time to pick up the ultimate weight loss pack, Thynergy and Meta 7 together. Activate your life with more energy from Meta 7, then curb your appetite and burn those calories with Thynergy. Check out the Amazon links below and start losing weight today.